Welcome back to Naimesh Explores. Today, we're diving into the natural beauty of Devil's Lake State Park in Wisconsin. Located in Baraboo, just 2.5 hours from Chicago, this park is an incredible destination for a day trip or a longer stay. Whether you're looking to picnic, swim, hike, or camp, Devil's Lake has something for everyone. Devil's Lake State Park is the largest and most visited state park in Wisconsin, attracting over 1.2 million visitors annually. The park is renowned for its stunning 500-foot quartzite bluffs that provide breathtaking views of the 360-acre lake below. Hiking enthusiasts will love exploring the nearly 30 miles of trails, some of which are part of the Ice Age National Scenic Trail. For those who enjoy water activities, Devil's Lake offers 2 large sandy beaches perfect for swimming, as well as opportunities for canoeing and kayaking. The clear, refreshing waters make it an ideal spot for a summer dip. We had a fantastic time swimming and soaking up the sun with friends and family. Camping at Devil's Lake is also a popular option, with multiple campgrounds providing a range of amenities. From traditional tent sites to more modern facilities, there's a camping experience to suit every preference. The park's picnic areas and shelters are perfect for a relaxing meal with loved ones while enjoying the natural surroundings. No visit to Devil's Lake would be complete without taking in the dramatic rock formations, such as the famous Devil's Doorway. These unique geological features offer not only stunning photo opportunities, but also great climbing adventures for those looking to challenge themselves. The park also caters to winter sports enthusiasts, offering trails for cross-country skiing and snowshoeing during the colder months. The diverse landscape of Devil's Lake transforms beautifully with the seasons, making it a year-round destination for outdoor lovers. Whether you're hiking in the summer or skiing in the winter, the park provides a unique experience each time you visit. One of the highlights of our trip was the delicious grill we made. We prepared Indian-style chicken, corn, and khichdi. The aroma of the spices and the smoky flavor from the grill added a wonderful touch to our picnic. It was a perfect way to enjoy the beautiful surroundings and share a meal with friends and family. Whether you're an avid hiker, a water lover, or just looking for a beautiful place to relax, Devil's Lake State Park is a must-visit destination. We had an amazing time and highly recommend it to anyone looking for a memorable outdoor experience. Make sure to subscribe to Naimesh Explores for more adventures and travel tips. See you next time. Wildlife watching is another popular activity at Devil's Lake. The park is home to a variety of animals, including white-tailed deer, foxes, and numerous bird species. Birdwatchers can look out for bald eagles, turkey vultures, and songbirds, especially during the migration seasons. The park's diverse habitats, from forests to wetlands, make it a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Additionally, Devil's Lake State Park plays a significant role in the local culture and history. The park's name comes from a misinterpretation of the Ho-Chunk name for the lake, which means sacred lake. This area has been significant to Native American tribes for centuries, and visitors can learn more about this rich heritage through the park's interpretive programs and visitor center exhibits.